Hello, everybody. Just wanted to create an instructional video since I will be out of the office for our next two Class Connect sessions and for all of Unit 2, basically. So I want to make sure that you're on the right page. So on the 6th of February and also on the 13th, you will not have Class Connect those days because I will be out of the office. But what I wanted to make sure that you did while I was gone was had a good understanding and view of what Unit 2 is all about and where you're going to need to make sure to pay special attention to certain information, especially when it pertains to completing some of the assignments. So just a brief overview of the assignments for Unit 2. You are going to have Unit 2, 2.01, 2, 3, and 4. That's going to be in week 3, which is going to be the 3rd through the 7th. And then the remainder of Unit 2 will be the 10th through the 14th. And uh, those lessons are in the schedule that is posted in the classroom. I did go ahead and create some announcements posting the pacing guide as well as the class schedule. So you definitely will be able to see those in the class announcements. But as you're looking through 2.01, just real quick overview of the assignments for this unit. There are videos, instructional videos for every Dropbox assignment or discussion board assignment. So just make sure that you are watching those instructional videos. They will help you greatly. So as you're looking at 2.02, there is a quiz, report reflection 1. This is going to be pretty self-explanatory, but there is directions here for you if you need it. And then there is going to be a extra credit reflection if you would choose to do that. These your choice assignments are basically just put in if we would have an extra day, but you technically do not have to really do anything with those. I considered deleting them out, but they're really not, there's really nothing in there for you, so you can just skip past the your choice assignments. Another quiz in 2.06. So this is where we'll start in that Unit 2, Week 4, and then you have another reporter's reflection for 7, and then a discussion board assignment, and then you have an extra credit opportunity down here if you would choose to do so. So one of the really important things that you are going to need to do for one of your reflections is that you have to make sure that you have gone through and you have looked at all of the content and information that pertains to ethics and law. So this unit especially, it's really important that you not skip any lesson pages because we are actually taking this information throughout our entire semester. So if you skip any of the pages that deal with ethics and law, you are going to be lost when it comes to units 3 through 10. So just make sure that you are reading through all of the lesson pages and any information that deals with ethics and law, and make sure that we have a nice, strong understanding of what you should be looking at. Okay, so I just want to make sure that you're aware that it's going to be super important for you to follow through and make sure you're not skipping anything. There's also another assignment, which there's an instructional video for, and it is an optional assignment for this. It talks about a process that might be difficult for you to understand, but it is up in the content pages, so you need to make sure that you're looking at that as well if you would choose to do this extra credit reflection. Okay. So what I am going to do is I will go through and I am going to talk a little bit about ethics and laws in a separate video for you to give you a little bit of information. And it would be like we were doing our Class Connect together. So I want to make sure that you get that information and that you're clear on the information that you will need for this unit and the rest of the class. So if you have any questions, please let me know. Don't hesitate to ask. I will be out of the office obviously, during this time. And I'm going to pause for just a second and bring up those schedules. All right, so if we look at these, at the schedules, this is for Unit 3, but what I want to make sure that you understand is that I will be out of the office on Thursday, and I will also not be here on Friday. So Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday, the 3rd, 4th, and 5th, I will be here. I'll be gone the 6th and the 7th. So just so you're aware of that, in the announcements up here, I created these early to just prep for the time that I'm on. So there will be like more information up here just to let you know when I will definitely be here and when I won't. But I just wanted to make you aware of that. And then if we look at, sorry, Unit 2, Week 4, will start on the 10th, I will not be here on Monday. I will be here on Tuesday. So I will be back on Tuesday. So if you would have any questions, you could definitely let me know. And then I will not be here on Wednesday or Thursday, but I will be back on Friday. Okay. So just so we're aware, I will have my computer with me because I am going to try and do some work while I'm out of the office. But just so you're aware that I'm not going to be readily available all the time. So I just wanted to make that clear for you. So hopefully you have a fantastic 2 weeks, and I will obviously see you here and there and be in the office to answer questions. But I do want to just set this up for you so you will be able to kind of just be aware of what's going on in the classroom. So like I said, if you have questions, please let me know.